Okay, big trouble with the strip donkey. It sounds as if the wheels is coming off. It is one heck of a noise when we go over a bump, but it seems as though our problems is slightly bigger than the normal, because I thought it was this plate that's loose, but much bigger problems than that. Seems as though our problem is with the block conversion over here.